Guys, so ang box natin ay 3 items. 1, 2, 3. 3 items ang unboxing natin. First ay ito. Yung gusto ko talaga makuha ay CV. Yan lang. Okay. Tingnan na natin kung true. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. CV guys, CV. CV, tapos may kasama pa siyang card. Yan, tapos dito nyo sa likod. Boom. So, na ano gusto McDonald's. Tapos may game kasi. Okay, ito naman. Guys, ko yan o. ASMR. Okay, let's. Tingnan natin kung meron pa. Sa loob. 3, 2, 1, go. Guys, meron pa sa loob. Kulay red. Okay, 3, 2, 1. My God! Ang cute nila. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty fan ako, guys. Hello Kitty fan ako, guys. Kayo, ano fan kayo? Malay mo si Kuromi o kaya si My Melody o kaya si Hello Kitty o kaya si Kuromi. Comment lang sa comment section. Kung gusto niyo ng ganito, ay, wait lang. Okay, the last item is a wallet. So, let's see. It got on Hello Kitty on it. See Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. So, let's see. There's supposed to be a picture on the edge. And it's like this. So, I need to remove this. So, in the moment of truth, I want Hello Kitty. It is Hello Kitty, so... My goodness, and you can even... Oh my... Does this come off? Yes, you can cut it off. Ay, cut it off. Pwede mo siya tanggal kung ayaw nyo yung style. Okay. So, kung gusto nyo ng ganito guys, mga ganyan, mag-comment lang kayo sa comment section at saka mag-subscribe and like. Yun lang. Bye-bye. Babush. But stay back for part 2.